Imagine this, you post a story or make a single post and suddenly leads start pouring into your business. These leads are instantly engaged, captured and taken through personalized journey, all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a game changer, right? Today I'm showing you exactly how to set up a fully automated sales funnel that not only brings a bunch of leads but converts them into loyal customers, adding thousands of dollars to your online business. I'm Mark and I run FutureChat, an agency dedicated to helping online businesses scale through AI and automation. I'll show you a proven strategy for building a sales funnel that combines lead generation with a lead magnet, automated follow-ups using ManyChat and smart nurturing sequence to build trust and boost conversions. Here's the plan. We'll start with how to attract qualified leads using a lead magnet. In our case, it will be an ebook. Next, I'll show you how to capture those leads and automate engagement through ManyChat. Finally, we will discuss how to nurture these leads using personalized follow-ups that encourage them to take action, whether that's booking a consultation or making a purchase. By the end of this video, you will have a roadmap to set up sales funnel that runs on autopilot, bringing you new leads and turning them into loyal customers that will bring you thousands of dollars every single month while you focus on scaling your business. Before we get started, don't forget to download my free ebook 20 Essential AI Tools for Online Business Success. It's packed with powerful AI tools that will help you save time, boost revenue, and automate processes. Grab it using the first link in the description below. So, to build a sales funnel on Instagram, we will use an app called ManyChat. But before we dive into the details, let's break down some essentials to make sure you understand the whole concept. Firstly, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a step-by-step journey your potential customers take, moving from initial interest in your offer to becoming loyal customers. Think of it as a pathway that guides leads towards a goal, whether that's booking a consultation, purchasing a service, or signing up for a program. The smoother and more engaging this journey is, the more likely leads are going to take action. In other words, a well-designed sales funnel has a high conversion rate, meaning it turns more leads into customers. Now, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a valuable resource you give out for free to encourage people to enter your sales funnel. Lead magnets can be anything from ebooks to free online courses. In our case, we will use my ebook 20 Essential AI Tools for Online Business Success. This ebook provides a ton of value and attracts leads that are interested in AI tools and implementing them into their business. So, where does ManyChat fit in? ManyChat is a tool that automates the entire process on Instagram. When someone requests a lead magnet, ManyChat steps in to collect their contact information. For lead magnets, I recommend sticking to essential details, usually just first name and email. Avoid overcomplicating it by asking phone number or address. Right now, the goal is to provide value and build that initial trust. After capturing their information, ManyChat follows up with personalized messages, keeping them engaged and guiding them further down the funnel. Putting it all together, we're creating a system where ebook attracts leads, ManyChat captures and engages them, and then nurtures them until they're ready to take the next step, whether that's booking a call, purchasing a service, or another goal. This setup allows us to capture and nurture leads on autopilot, maximizing conversions and minimizing manual work. So, go to manychat.com, create an account and sign in to the Instagram account you want to create your funnel on. Then go to Automation and here click New Automation. Here you have a bunch of pre-made templates for different purposes like generating leads with stories or growing your email list, but we want to start from scratch. Here we have our when icon, which is a trigger. Trigger is an action that starts the automation. So let's add a new trigger, and for this one we will use user sends a message. Detect specific keyword, and the keyword would be ebook and ebook. I recommend you to type it in different ways because someone can make a mistake and this way you will lose this client. Then click create. We can also add other triggers, but in my opinion, user replies to story and user sends a message are the best ones. Here also, specific keyword, ebook. Then we go to our first block. Here we will have a welcoming message. We can have something like, hi, thanks for reaching out. I'm happy to share my ebook with you. And also let's make it more friendly and engaging by adding emojis. Here we'll have this one, and here we will have this emoji. Then we want to collect prospect's name, so we add data collection, and here we type what is your first name. Then click contact reply and change reply type to first name. Then go down and remove skip button text. If you want to test the first step, you can do this by clicking preview. As you see, everything's okay. I also like adding a 2-second delay because this makes the conversation seem more natural and engaging. So we add this delay right between these two messages, and we can rename this block to greeting plus first name. To create the next step, we need to drag this circle and click plus Instagram. Here we will address our prospects by their first name. We can have something like nice to meet you, and then click this symbol and choose first name. So this way, whatever input we got for the first name will be used here. Then we can also add a delay and then add data collection. Here we want to ask for an email address. So we can have something like, could you provide the best email address so I can send you the ebook. So in case client doesn't respond, we want to create a follow-up. So we drag this circle if contact has not responded and create a new message. Here we can have something like, hi, are you still there? And then we can add data collection. If you're still interested in getting the ebook, please provide your email below. Change it to email and remove skip button. This will help us increase the conversion rate in case the lead gets distracted in the middle of the process and forgets to respond. Then we create a new step by assigning both blocks to it, and this block will provide our lead magnet. Fantastic. You're all set. Click the button to download the ebook. Then we click add button and add button title, download the ebook. Then we need to go down and click open website. Here we need to paste our URL for the lead magnet. I have my lead magnet in Google Drive, so I just click copy link. Done. At this point, our lead capture is complete, and we want to store the data we've collected about our lead in a CRM or Google Sheet. For this example, we'll use Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets, add a blank spreadsheet, and name the columns according to the info you used for data collection. In our case, it's first name and email. Go back to ManyChat, then click Settings, go down and press Integration. Here you will have Google Sheets and you need to sign in. Go back to your automation and drag the yellow circle, plus Actions, and here we need to create action, insert row. We choose spreadsheet for video, and choose worksheet. Then we need to assign data correctly, so we'll assign first name to first name and email to email. At this point, your lead capture is done. This automation allows you to capture leads through a lead magnet, expanding your lead list with qualified prospects. But let's take it a step further. Now that we've captured leads, our next step is to gather deeper insights about them, guiding them toward a purchase through personalized offer. By identifying their pain points and providing targeted solutions, we create a personalized experience, making it relevant and useful. Ideally, this offer should directly relate to lead magnet, allowing prospects topics to dive deeper into the topic and build stronger interest in your services. For example, in my lead magnet, I showcase powerful AI tools like ManyChat and Zapier and briefly explain how they can help online businesses increase their sales and automate processes. So I'll promote my sales funnel development service. Let's continue the sales funnel and nurture these leads. After delivering the lead magnet, I prefer to wait one day before sending our next follow-up. This gives the prospect time to explore the ebook and become aware of our offer. So I add a smart delay for 23 hours. And then I add a new step. Let's also address prospect by his name. Hi, first name. Hope you enjoy my ebook. Then we create the next text. I'd love to help you achieve your business goals. Take a quick survey and I'll create a complete AI implementation blueprint just for you. And as you see, we can also improve it with AI, so let's try it. Make it more engaging. Yeah, that's great. So here we'll click add button, open website, and here we'll need to paste our Google form. Copy the link and paste it here. In Google Forms, we'll collect more information about our prospect, including their background, current situation, and desired goals. For this video, I've set up a simple form to understand the prospect's current situation and pain points. So the first question is full name, then we have questions regarding their business, what type of online business they have, how much money they make with it, and what they struggle the most to understand their pain points. Also, I ask what AI tools they currently use to avoid redundancy. Once set, link the form responses to Google Sheets. This data provides enough insights to build a solid blueprint and tailor it specifically for each client. Go to ManyChat and click Set Live. But since we want to test it, let's reduce the waiting hours to 10 seconds. Then click Set Live. Once everything is set, let's test the funnel. So we send a message with a specific keyword, in our case it's ebook. And then we have our greeting message. Hi, thanks for reaching out. And then, what is your first name? We type our first name. Nice to meet you, Mark. Please provide the best email address. So we type our email address. For this case, we'll use test. And here's our lead magnet. Click it. And as you see, everything runs smoothly. Then we go back and we have our follow-up with the survey. We click on that button. And here we have our survey. Here we provide our full name. Then what type of business, SMMA, 1000 to 5000, lead generation, and let's type ChatGPT. Let's verify that both worksheets are updated with the leads information. Go to spreadsheet. So as you see, here we have our first name and email, and also form responses have been captured. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a robust sales funnel that generates leads, captures their details, and nurtures them automatically without requiring any manual intervention. This funnel is just the beginning. At FutureChat, we specialize in building advanced sales funnels that include multiple lead magnets, A/B testing, and tailored follow-up sequences designed to maximize conversions. If you're ready to take your lead generation to the next level, let's talk. Book a free one-on-one consulting call using the link in the description below. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.